SUI is one of the top ecosystems where meme coins are traded. I would say behind Solana, Base, and BNB. Its trading fees are one of the cheapest, and so many tools have now been built on SUI to make trading meme coins really, really easy and smooth. In this video, I want to show you how to actually make money trading meme coins on SUI. So what do you need? You need first a SUI wallet. This is where you hold your SUI and the meme coins you're going to be trading. Then you need a trading bot to facilitate your trading and make it really smooth. Then you need Twitter, Telegram, and desk trainer for your analysis. And of course, you need SUI, the coin. That is what you're going to use in buying and trading, basically. Now, what are the steps? So step one is the wallet. There are two major wallets. You have Sweet and Soft. You can use any of them. You have the app and you also have the Google Chrome extension. So I'll go first and download the app. So go to Play Store and simply just search for Sweet. Mind you can also use Soft. They are both good. So search for Sweet Wallet. So this is it, Sweet Wallet install. So I'm going to open this and I'll click on create a new passphrase account. So if you have one already, just import it. But if you don't have one already, just go ahead and create one. So I'm going to show you this. Now this is my recovery phase. I should not show this to anybody. Anybody that have this have access to my wallet. So copy it and keep it in a safe place. I'm not going to use this wallet after everything. That is why I'm showing you guys what it is. So make sure you don't reveal this passphrase to anyone. So now I have created my wallet. So this is my wallet address. I can click on copy here to copy it. The next thing I will do is to install same Sweet wallet in my Google Chrome extension or Firefox or whichever one you're using. I'll go ahead and type Sweet wallet extension. And the browser I'm using is Vivaldi. It works there fine. You can also use the Chrome wallet. When this shows, I'll click on the Sweet wallet web store Chrome. I'll click on add to Vivaldi. So you can see I now have SUI here, the Sweet wallet here. Now instead of clicking on create a new passphrase account, I'll click on more option because I want to import the phrase I've already created for the mobile app so I can have the wallet in two places. So I'm going to click on import from passphrase. Then I will enter the value here. I'm going to click on next and I'll just enter any password of my choosing. So you can see it's the same wallet I have here. You can see the wallet up here in the browser. On my phone, you can see it is the same wallet. Now, the next step is to install your trading boards. I'll leave the link in the description for it. It is called the BingX. So this is also a web platform. So here, you see where it says connect. So I'm going to connect my Telegram. Then I click on start. I'm going to click on login web bot. So this is going to bring me here. And click get started. So when it shows you this is very important. It shows generate a new wallet and it says import wallet. So the idea is that you have the same wallet here. So you're going to click on import your private key. So you click on it. What we're going to enter here is the private key. Get your private key, click on this Sweet wallet extension. Then you click on the wallet address itself, click on manage. And click on the wallet again. Then you see export private key. So I'm going to go ahead and copy it. This is my private key. And I'll then come to this raindinks.io and paste it here. So confirm. So you see I now have the same wallet here. So this is setting up your wallet. Another place you can get the private key is from your mobile phone. So what you do is the same thing. You click on the wallet itself. Click on manage, click on current wallet. You can see export private key. So it's practically the same thing you do in both cases. Now that we have our wallets everywhere, right? The next thing we do is now to fund these wallets. You can do this from your centralized exchanges. And what I recommend is CoinX because CoinX, even if you don't have KYC, you can sign up with CoinX and perform transactions there. The link to sign up is in the description of this video. So I'm going to go to CoinX. So you can easily fund your CoinX account. I have a video on that. It's also in the description. Then buy SUI here, and from here you can now send SUI from your CoinX account to your wallet here. So I'm going to come here, open SUI wallet again. Then I'm going to copy this wallet address I have here, copy it. This is where I send the coin to. Let me go ahead and do that. So yes, so the SUI has arrived. You can see I have 138 SUI here, about $479. And it should be the same thing on my mobile phone. So the next thing is for me to walk you through the trading bots. Okay, now, beside this index, if you want to trade directly on Telegram, there's also another bot called SUI, but I'll leave that in the description of this video in case you just want to trade using Telegram without a web application. The reason why I like this is that it helps me to conduct my analysis. So looking at this, let us go through what this offers also. This is the index platform. This is the homepage. You can see new currency pair here. And if you click on fund zone, it's going to show you 3 columns. This is newly created coins. So this one was created 5 hours ago. And this one, Pi, of course, is a fake Pi, created 6 hours ago. So these are coins created on Launchpad, where you have pump.fund on Solana. This is a Launchpad. This is where creators come to launch coins. And it's great if you buy coins from here because you are sure that they're not going to do what they call liquidity pool and take all your money. So the thing is this, when the market cap, like this one, the market cap is 3.5 K dollars. If the market cap gets to a certain amount, about $200,000, then they are going to graduate. So these ones are the ones about to graduate. If you go around the cycle, you can see they have something around them. This one too also have something around it, meaning that it's getting to that graduation state. So the more people that buy the coin, the newly created coin, the more it gets to about to graduate. Now, once it has gotten to that required amount, it now becomes a graduated coin. This one was created 11 hours ago. And it has graduated. You can see the market cap is 6.9K. This one was created 1 day ago. So yes, the market cap actually rises. Some of them, when they become graduated, they just dump, right? So I'm going to go to the strategy of how to trade these, but I'm just showing you. Now we have the end section. So you have airdrop and referral. So if you go ahead and use Reindex to trade, you can also invite people to use Reindex. You're going to end up getting qualified for their airdrop. You also have multi-chart rather. You can add more than one chart here to compare. You have snipe. So sniping is another strategy to trade. So you can see here, it's meant to show developers' wallets. You can see also developers' wallets in the fund zone. So this is where basically you see what developers are creating meme coins on SUI. You can just note their wallet and snipe them. But this feature, I believe, is still under development. As you can see that there is nothing here. Now the next one is copy trading. You can actually do copy trading on Solana. So if you have a developer wallet that is really, really good, or you have somebody you have done analysis for and the wallet is doing well, you can come to the copy trading session to trade their wallet. And you have trending rather. So these are coins that are trending. When you click on it, this one's being shown here are coins that are also trending. So this is the interface. Now there are other things you can do. You have the search. You can search for a coin that you want. You have alerts. You can set alerts for different coins you want to trade. You have your wallets. Definitely, if I click here, you can see this is the amount of SUI I have in my wallet, and this is basically your account. So you can track your referral, manage your wallet, and contact support. So this is a platform. I'll still come back to this. Now, another platform you need to be familiar with is Desk Screener. I've actually made a video about Desk Screener. You should go watch that video. It's well detailed. Now, if I come to this section, this is just showing me different coins on Desk Screener. I can also come to here where it says SUI to see only the coins that are on SUI. If you look up here, you see Cetus, Bluefin, Turbo Finance, FlowX, Bluemove. So these are decentralized exchanges on SUI. So it's pulling data from them. Also on Raindinks, you can also see that when you go to filter, it's also pulling data from these exchanges. You can choose to select some of them and list some of them. Now, the next thing before you start trading is to know how to filter out scam coins. You can do this on Deskscreener. You can also do it using Raindinks. So how do you filter out scam coins? Just by merely looking at Raindinks, you can see some red alerts. So this one is saying that LP is not bonds, means that these people can actually work. It's also saying that the owner owns a huge percentage of the coin, right? So if I click on any of the coin, I click on it, it's going to show me more data. So these are the security warning. 10% of holders owns 99% of this coin. So this is obviously going to rock. Dev, as a matter of fact, Dev holds almost all the coins. So it's showing you the issues that has to do with them. So basically, avoid trading any of this coin. One way you can do this even faster is to come to this filter section and you can click on select all for all this. So it's not showing you coins that can be minted even after created. It not show you coins that have the honeypot risk. So these are coins you can buy, but you cannot sell them. It will also filter out LP burn if the top 10 holders are holding many of the coins that the dev owns a lot of the coins. I can also come here to actually enter the certain parameters that I want. Look, apply filter. So you can see this has greatly been reduced. So don't worry about this LP burn, but you can see that if I go back here and uncheck this particular one and apply filter, you see a bunch of coins, many coins to trade, but they have a risk. So if you want to filter a scam, you can just come here, possibility of scam. Now, not all these coins that I filtered as scam, but they have high probability they're going to be scams. So you want to reduce your probability that they are scams. So I'll filter them out. Okay, let me just quickly go through this particular coin, right? So this is the name of the coin Win, created 40 minutes ago. Liquidity, this is the liquidity. Market cap is 85 million, which is surprising. Something must be wrong with this. It has 11 transactions, 8 buys, 1 sell. I can click on it to get more detail. So there's actually a warning even after filtering it out. If I want to perform further analysis, this is totally abnormal. This one can just launch and have 4 holders and be $85 million in market cap. If I want to perform further analysis on this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to copy the contract address. Then I'll go to Deskscreener and I'll click on search and I'm going to paste the contract address here. This is going to pull out this particular coin on Deskscreener. So Deskscreener helps you to do further analysis. One place you can look at is this particular section. There's some information you can get from there. For example, their social media handles are not here. They don't have Twitter, they don't have their website. Nothing is here. If these people are serious, they should be able to pay $300 to Deskscreener to have their information here. You can see also the buys. You can see the top holders. So this coin practically doesn't have a lot of all the data. So if you want to trade this coin, it is a great risk. So these are the scams you should be aware of when you're trading meme coins on SUI. But let's look at another a SUI coin without all these things, so you have an idea of what it should be like. Let's take this one for example. This coin has been on for days. Practically, you can see this is how the chart is going to look like. So this coin, when it was launched, let me make this bigger, did this massive pump and it just went down. But I don't know what happened here. Maybe there's any information. It went all the way up. Now, one thing I will teach you is, you see, when a coin, this is simply technical analysis we even do when trading futures. When a coin starts making higher highs and higher lows, then there's a possibility it might pump, and it just did that. So it gave buying opportunity. So when you see that they start breaking this particular structure, came down, broke it again, you can go and get more information on this coin. Something is happening to make it moon this way. So I'm going to go back, and if I click on it again, you can see that it has socials, it has a website, Twitter, it has Discord. So I can go here when this thing is happening and get a lot of information. And say I bought this coin from this particular point. This is moving from a $13 million market to $80 million market cap before it dropped again. So this is a over 400% gain. So if you bought this coin with $100, you should be smiling home with $400, $1,000, $4,000. So I'm going to go back. So you can see how a coin should look like. It should have a normal chart. So let's look at the strategy you can use to trade meme coins. Mind you, these strategies are not financial advice. You should back test it first and before trying it out. And mind you, meme coins trading, most people that trade meme coins actually lose money. So you should note this: only risk money you can afford to lose until you understand how this actually works. Experience matters in this game. So there are a lot of strategies. One is sniping dev wallets. Like this feature that we have here on Raindex is not yet fully developed. Once it's developed, you monitor a dev wallet, they copy a dev wallet, or set alerts on the dev wallet so that when a dev buys a wallet, you know that this wallet is live and you can go and do further investigation on the particular coin before you go ahead and buy. Of course, the most important thing is for you to set all this up. Now, I haven't actually told you how to buy. To buy a coin, when I click on a coin, for example, this is giving me a warning. Let me just pick another coin. So let's say I want to buy this coin. This is Pepe on SUI, right? So I can trade it from this particular section. I have 138 SUI coins. So this is buy, this is sell. I can select the amount I want to buy with, and sell. I can also put the amount. Once I buy the coin I want to sell, I just enter the amount or the percentage or the total coin I want to sell. I just go ahead and click on sell. So it is as simple as that. You have sell, you have buy. It is not complicated. So going back to the strategy. So one of the strategy I was talking about still on Raindex is to snipe a dev wallet. That feature is not fully available. Once you have a wallet, you can come to copy trading, enter the parameters here, and basically copy or just set alert on the dev wallet to know when the wallet buys. You can then go and investigate the coin to buy. That is one strategy. So another strategy is to buy the coin as it launches. So if I go to phone zone here, mind you, I can filter coins according to the parameters I want. Do I want coins from TurboFun, MovePump, 7K Phone, or SUI AI? SUI AI is actually hot right now, so I can select the ones I don't want and only concentrate on the launch. Just are basically launch pads that I want. So I can choose to select all of them. But the thing with SUI is that if you look here, you can see this is 5 minutes ago. This is 5 hours ago, 5 hours ago, like that. It is different from a platform like Solana. For example, this is a similar platform for Solana trading. The same thing, created, about to graduate and graduated. You can see that this one, coins are launched like almost every second. This is 23 seconds ago. So you can see them coming out in seconds because a lot of coins are launched on Solana. But for SUI, this is 5 hours ago, right? So you don't have many coins launching right now. But the whole essence of this video is you can use a lot of these strategies when SUI pumps back on. There was a time that SUI was really hot and many coins were launching here. It has cooled off now, but it's sure going to come back. So for this section, one strategy is just to snipe the coin as it is being launched. Let me click on this pie, for example, launched 6 hours ago. This is based on the hype of the coin. So as the coin is being launched, you sniped it. So you snipe it as it's launched and you sell. It didn't do much. So that is one strategy, but this strategy might not be advised on SUI because there is not a lot of strategies going on here. Another strategy is to watch the about to graduate. This is what usually happens. When a coin is about to graduate, right? It goes up. When it's graduated, it goes down. And it usually gives a second pump before it finally ends. See what I mean? Say a coin. I don't want to use this example. This coin has only buy, no sell. It's also risky to do this. So let me use a different one. Okay, this has some price action, which makes it look as if it was a good coin. So for this coin, for example, is in some good price action, right? You can see that's going up and coming down, which is normal, is expected to do this. Now, let's say it goes up and gets graduated. Once it is graduated, it's going to come down and it will give a second pump. It usually does this. So your target is usually to watch the coin as it graduated to see how it comes down. If it comes down and now start giving some price action, higher highs and higher lows, then you can actually buy the coin and maybe take 100% or 200% from where it was. So that's another strategy. Waiting for a coin in this graduating section to come to this section, become graduated, and you watch it, it drops down. You see the price action. If it's good, price action is giving you upward, lower low and lower highs after it has dumped. Then you can buy to take a profit maybe at 2x or 3x. Make sure you remove all your capital first and leave the moon buy, because some of them are still going to just dump and go from there, but some of them can still go higher. Make sure you take out your money. So this is another strategy. So one more strategy is basically joining core groups. This is where you need Twitter, right? Because I talked about Twitter, x.com. You can just go and make a simple search. SUI calls. So this is where you have to now make a lot of search and basically start joining different groups. So this particular guy, it's giving calls on, this was October 17, 2024. They talked about FUD, Blob, and all this coin. So for example, let's look at Blob. The call was given October 2024. So I'm going to go to desk screen and try to find the coin. October 17, the coin call was given here. And you can see that when it was given, the coin was actually descending. Okay, if I go to 1 hour time frame, you can see that the coin was descending. So it means that you shouldn't buy here. You should buy when it starts giving you some price action. Like from this point, when it starts giving you some higher highs and higher lows. So this is the point you should consider buying this coin. Why those coin calls are important is that some persons, when they call a coin, that coin is going to start getting attention. You can do more search on that particular coin like Blob on Twitter and see where it is heading. Now from there, you can now know if this community of this coin has the potential to take this coin to where it needs to be. Because supposing you bought this coin here, it was easy 5x to this point. Of course, it's trying to take purchase along the way. You can get really good coins if you just pay attention. So beside these tools, this thought strategy requires you to do some work on your own. It means you have to really go to Twitter, look for those influencers, look for those Telegram groups that are really talking about SUI coins. These are the communities that can give you that winning. This is where you need to do the work. When you do the work, you're going to reap the reward. You need to again go to Twitter and look for those people that are dedicated to actually doing memes on SUI. That is how you have the winning edge. That is how you know that the coin is going to move. Even if they call the coin and the coin is dumping, wait for it to dump, see some price action and let it move again. Because sometimes when influencers call coins, what now appear to call coins, right? Some people want to sell, right? And they're looking for people who to sell on. But the fact that they have called this coin and you look at the coin fundamentals is great. It means that there might be another buying opportunity for coin. Like Blob, for example, is one of the good coins on SUI. It is at its lowest now. And I believe if we see some price action here, and when SUI meme coin become a thing, we can see it really pump. In conclusion, right now, there's not a lot of meme coins action on SUI, but you now understand how this works and you are armed. So save this video because you might need it when the action comes back. So you are positioned to make the most out of it. Now, BNB chain is beginning to pick up for meme coins. Caesars Binance made a tweet that sparked interest in it. And if you want to know how to actually make money trading meme coins on the BME chain, then watch this video.